Hello guys, and welcome to the continuation on the Over the Wire Bandit Challenge. We continue from Bandit 21 here. This level goal is the program is running automatically at regular intervals. Yeah, usually this is what Cron does here on Linux. It's the time-based job scheduler, and if we look into this particular directory for the configuration and see what command is being executed. And in this case we can just cd to that particular location and ls, and now we see cron job bandit 22. Alright, I think this is basically for the cron job challenges, I believe, with other things here, which for now we're looking to go into level 22. So I believe we want to see the cron job, what cron job 22 does. Here it does a reboot, and this runs this shell every 1 minute. So I'll copy this and let's see what it really does. Let's see what the script does. Cut that particular script. So shebang bin bash change mode, it changes the permission. So basically it changes the mode, which is the permissions of this particular folder, and to be able to read, I believe, so everybody can read it, and I believe, yeah, then it will cut the password into that folder. So I believe there's nothing much for us to run here than to expect that it does that every 1 minute, and we can be able to see the password when we cut that particular location, and voila, that's the password for bandit level 22. So I'm going to exit, and over here I'm going to go into bandit 22. Okay, and paste that, hit enter. There we go, bandit 22. So let's see what's in bandit 22. I believe it's also a cron job. Yes, a program is running automatically at regular intervals from Chrome, the time-based job scheduler. Look into this like we did, or copy that for the configuration and see what command is executing. Note, looking at shell scripts written by other people is very useful skill. The skill for this level is intentionally made easy to read. If you're having problems understanding what it does, try executing it to see the debug information it prints. So let's just cd into that directory ls. Alright, so in this case we're going into bandit 24, so I want to cut and see what it does here. So it does this every 1 minute, so let's see what this script does. I'm going to cut that permission deny, sorry, not bandit 24, bandit 23. Okay, my bad. Okay, I'm going to just put bandit sh. Okay, so this is it. Bin bash, it sets my name to who am I, and then it runs this my target as echo I am user your name, and then it runs the md5 sum, and then does some cutting, and then it will now echo that particular result. It will echo copying password file blah 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 into temp my target. So if you cut this, it will cut the password into this. This is fairly let me see, if we type who am I here, or bandit 22. Now in this case we can actually set my name. In this case we can set my name to be bandit 23. Yeah, if I do my name, so we now have bandit 23 here. Now the next thing, we can actually just copy this script here and run it, and the rest will just play out, or we can just copy this particular role. This is what it needs to do, and we already set the variable my name. So if I paste this particular code right now, echo so and so, hit enter, it gives us that particular md5 sum, and when you copy this, it becomes the my target. So I can just go to cat temp and then paste that particular output there, which is equivalent to my target here, hit enter, and this should actually be the password that it will cut. So let's just exit and try that out. Clear that, and bandit 23. Okay, now paste that in here, and we're headed to bandit 23. Great. So let's go to bandit 23, going to bandit 24. Now a program is running automatically, is same thing as the cron job. So I'll just copy this, but in this case it says no, this level requires you to create your own first shell script. This is very big step. You should be proud of yourself when you beat this level. Keep in mind that your shell script is removed once executed, so you may want to keep a copy around. Okay, first we cd in here, ls, and we want to see bandit 24, so I'm going to cut that, and let's see what the script is doing. Cut that as well, and bin bash my name, who am I. So what this is going to do, it's going to cd into this particular location full, and then it will echo executing and deleting all scripts in this. Then it's going to run a loop command for I in this, do this, for a name period, okay, and then echo handling I owner equals to this if owner is equals to bandit 23. If the owner is bandit 23, then timeout in 60 seconds, and it's going to remove the file in that particular location for I in that particular name of that file period, and then it will close. So first, let's see if we can actually let me see if I can cd into this place. See what happens. Cd, well, in this case I'm going to change my name. In this case we're trying to read bandit 24. Ooh, okay, so this is doable, bandit 24, so I don't need to assign my name to it, so this is actually accessible. Okay, so what we need to do then is to create a script. What that script should be able to do, since it's cutting and giving us the password, but it removes it within 60 seconds, which is almost the same time the script runs. So it's more or less immediately it gives us the password, it deletes it. So we can we can write a script that will copy that particular password file and paste it in that location, in this location, right? Yeah. Well, let's just try. First of all, let's just create a directory here. Make directory and the temp, because we can't execute files in this particular location. We have to do it in the temp directory. So temp, I'll give it Amy nice 1 2 3. Hit enter. I can cd into temp, and Amy nice 1 2 3. Hit enter. ls. So in this particular location right now, we need to, let me create a folder called pass. Let me create a folder called pass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder here, and then create a script that I would put into this shell. When the password shows up, it's going to copy it and put it for me in the pass folder I'm going to create right now. So I'm going to just create using touch. I'm going to call it pass, and I'm going to give it permission that's readable by everybody and call that pass. Now I'm going to create the script. Nano, I'm going to call it test.sh, and shebang, bin bash. I'm not quite very good at writing bin bash scripts, but yeah, basically it's just, we want to cut etc bandit underscore pass, right, underscore bandit, this is where they all are, bandit 24, and I'd like it to be cutted into the temp directory, and we have Emmy nice 1 2 3, and I want it to be pasted into the folder called pass. Right now I would save that. You see, so this script is going to copy that password, that is password, it will copy that password and it's going to put it for me in this pass folder that I already created in my temporary directory. So I'm going to exit. ls, I have pass, but I also need to change mode so that it can be run by everybody, 777 everything for test.sh. Now if I ls, it's you can see it's affected now. So the final thing we need to do is to be able to copy this script into the folder where this script is being run, so that it will also be affected, or it will run together in my view. So I'm going to copy this. I think I've copied it before, so copy this, is it? So what I need to do is I need to copy shell script, which is test.sh, and I'm going to paste it in var spool bandit24 /full. Hit enter. I believe it's been copied. ls-la. Here we have the, yeah, basically you see the owner. If you remember in the script, it says if the owner is bandit23, then timeout and so on. So we have that, and now what we need to do is to start to wait for 1 minute and see that password appears in pass. I'm just going to keep doing this to see when it comes. Remember also our script will be deleted, so yeah, you can rewrite it if it does. I'm supposed to like maybe copy it to somewhere else as well. So I'll just keep doing this till we see our password, hopefully in a minute. Maybe you can just wait and then try intermittently, but okay, voila. So that's it. That's our password right there. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to exit. Okay, that was interesting. Alright, going to Bandit 24. Paste this here, hit enter. Alright, let's see what Bandit 24 entails. A demon is listening on port 30,002 and will give you the password for Bandit 25. If giving the password for Bandit 24, I think we've done something similar to this, but and a secret. You know what? I'm going to end this video here. This looks a little bit different, so from Cron job. So let's just separate that. I'll see you guys for continuation, and enjoy. Ciao.